Ever noticed how sneezing gets you a bless you, but coughing or hiccups don't? The tradition goes way back, all the way to ancient times. In ancient Rome, sneezing was seen as a sign your body was fighting something off. Some believed it was your soul trying to escape, or even an omen of illness. Then during the bubonic plague, Pope Gregory I reportedly encouraged people to say, "God bless you," every time someone sneezed, as a quick prayer to keep them safe. Over time, it stuck. Even today, we say it out of habit, a polite reflex from an old fear of death and disease. So next time someone sneezes, that bless you? It's more than just manners, it's centuries of superstition.